So we're gonna be unboxing Superman from Queen Studios Museum Collection. So it's from Queen Studios and it's securely packed. So it comes in 3 pieces. That's Superman, his cape, and the base. And here we have the certificate. This is the base. Look at the details on Superman. So he's looking at us. His cape goes at the back. Oh, that was easily done.
It's magnetic.
Okay. Look at his body. Is it supposed to be cracked like that?
Yeah, it's all part of the sculpt.
Okay. So this is all part of the sculpting of this statue. Look at all the details. Look at the cape. His cape looks like as he have just landed. Very nicely done. So this is the museum line Superman.
And this completes the Trinity.
Yep. So we've got the Wonder Woman and we've got the Batman. You might have seen that unboxing. Yeah, what do you guys think of this new collection? Everything is like marble.